Good morning, welcome to Mickey and My Crown. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have the second part of Edgy Normal, and we're gonna try something in here. I'm gonna show you the items that I have. These are mainly accessories. One of them you do a diamond painting. So let's get started. This is the second part that arrived after the first video. And on this one, I do have a silicone mold. Yeah, those are chimneys or chimes. You got the little metal things that make the noise along with the stretchy or cord. These are the birds. Look at how pretty it is, the details. You can paint those details with the mica powder and then do the rest. Look at how beautiful they are. Some of them has more detail than the others. They're beautiful. And here is where you hang them. Okay. And here is the center. I guess how you put that on is anybody guess. I will have to figure this out somehow off camera, but they're neat. I like them. And you get 2, 4, 6 birds. You get 6 birds here. Okay. The next thing we got is a kitty clock. Okay. I wanted to have a clock in the living room. Let's see this one. This one has the instructions. But the instructions on how to diamond paint. We got the regular toolkit. We got the drills. We have some special drills here. And we have the clock part. But this has the needles. I gotta check this out. Yeah. It has the needles. I hope they're not too bad. I don't know how to put this. I don't know. I'm going to have to find out how to do this. But here it is. I'm assuming that this hole is for this big tube, so it will stand up. I'm trying to get, oops, I almost got the, you have to be careful when you're trying to take the cover sheet to diamond paint out. Here it is. No, we're not going to diamond paint this one. I just want to touch the... And I like it because it's pretty clear. They didn't have a dog, so I settled for the kitty. Okay, those are pretty. And here are... Boy, do we have a mix in here. guess that the mix is for, you know, to put it randomly. That's what I'm thinking. Here it is, the bigger ones. We got some rhinestones. Rhinestone and rhinestone. So this is for this. Put it in here. Okay. So this is me, a clock that I need. Okay, here we have a tumble, a plastic one, diamond painting. Okay, again it tells you how to diamond paint, and over here it tells you to insert the liner. Let's see, the box is already, you know, kind of we got the standard toolkit. We got the sheets that we are going to diamond paint. Now, yeah, that's what they recommend. You do diamond paint this first, okay? Let me see if we can get the... Yep, you diamond paint first, and then here is, oh, this is pretty sturdy. You're gonna take this out, and then you place the insert over here when you finish. Okay, that would be neat. This is a plastic one. And we got the opening. Oh, okay. I thought that this one will raise. No, you do it like this, and you take a sip. That's pretty neat, and it's pretty sturdy. Nice thing, nice try. I feel like starting to do this one. What do you think? It has 9 colors. Yep, it's up to 9. Let's see. And I like this. They have different designs, so for you to choose from. This is from Edgy Normal, the second part. And these are AB drills with the AB coating, Aurora Borealis coating. That's one of them. Here is the second color with Aurora Borealis on it. Some nice blue ones. And also we have the white one with Aurora Borealis. So we got 3 colors in here with the AB coating for your tumbler, which is good. Okay, so I will have to keep this up in order for me to do it. Okay, to start on it. So this is neat. We got the shines We got the kitty clock, and we got the tumbler. Okay, so this is it for the second part of Edgy Normal. I hope any of these products is of your like. And like I said, the stone ball is very sturdy. It's not a flimsy plastic. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.